"Here he comes," said Laurie. "Don't be a chicken." Colleen bit her bottom lip. It was after school. The three girls stood across the street and watched Jeff. "Maybe we should wait until tomorrow," said Colleen. "Hey, Jeff!" Laurie shouted. "No," Colleen whispered. Jeff turned. Laurie and Melinda walked toward him, Colleen lagging behind. "Hello, Jeff," said Laurie. "Hi, Jeff," said Melinda. "Hello, hi," answered Jeff. Laurie laughed. "Come on, Colleen," said Melinda. "Ask him." Colleen blushed and looked away. "Colleen has something she wants to ask you," said Laurie. "Well, see, okay, well," stammered Colleen. "Quit bothering me," Jeff said very quietly. "We're not bothering you," said Laurie. "Colleen just wants to ask you." Melinda stopped her. "Let Colleen ask him," she said. "Well, see," said Colleen. "Okay." She took a breath. "I'm having It's my birth. I don't want her asking me anything," Jeff snapped. Colleen turned bright red. "And quit saying hello to me, too." "We can say hello if we want," said Melinda. "It's a free country." "I don't want you saying it to me," said Jeff. "Don't worry," Colleen exploded. "I won't." "I will," said Laurie. "Hello, hello, 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 hello." "Shut up," said Jeff. He slammed his book down on the sidewalk. "Hello, Jeff," said Laurie. "Jello, Jeff." She laughed at her mistake. "Jello, Jeff. Hello, Jello." She laughed hysterically. "And quit laughing," Jeff shouted. "She can laugh," said Colleen. "You can't tell her not she can't laugh." "Hello, hello, 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 hello," said Laurie as fast as she could. "Shut up," screamed Jeff. "You shut up," said Melinda. "I'm not afraid of you, Melinda," said Jeff. "I'm not afraid of you either," said Melinda. Jeff raised his fist in the air. Melinda did the same. Laurie shrieked with anticipation. "Okay, hit me," said Jeff. "You hit me first," said Melinda. "No, you hit me first," said Jeff. "Somebody hit somebody," shouted Laurie. Jeff tapped Melinda's shoulder with his fist. She slugged him in the stomach. As she bent over, she hit him in the nose. Jeff flailed his arms as he tried to defend himself, but Melinda kept punching him, in the neck, in the stomach, then in the eye. Jeff fell to the ground. Melinda jumped on the top of him, knees first. She sat on his chest and held his arms flat against the ground. Laurie knelt beside them and slapped the ground as she counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Melinda stood up. Laurie held Melinda's arm high in the air. Holding her nose with the other hand, she bellowed, "The winner, and still champion of the world, Marvelous Melinda!" Colleen clapped her hands.